Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever wondered how much you can actually deposit into Kraken in a single day? It's a crucial question, especially when you're looking to make a significant move in the market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding these limits is essential for a smooth and efficient trading experience. Now, Kraken is known for its robust platform and high trading volumes, but there are naturally some restrictions in place. These limits are designed to ensure the security and stability of the platform for all users. In this video, we'll dive deep into the specifics of Kraken's deposit limits. We'll cover factors that influence daily deposit limits, how to check your specific limits, tips for optimizing your deposits, and finally, the potential consequences of exceeding these limits. So, buckle up and get ready to learn everything you need to know about Kraken's deposit limits. Let's get started. Factors influencing daily deposit limits. Alright, let's break down the key factors that determine how much you can deposit into Kraken each day. Verification level. This is the single biggest factor. Kraken operates a tiered verification system. Higher verification levels generally unlock higher deposit limits. Starter. This is the basic level. Expect lower limits here. Intermediate. You'll likely see a significant increase in limits at this level. Pro. This is the highest level, offering the most flexibility. Deposit method. The method you choose to fund your Kraken account will also influence the limits. Bank transfers often have higher limits, especially for verified users. Credit/debit cards may have lower limits and potentially higher fees. Cryptocurrency deposits. Limits can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency. Deposit history. Your past deposit activity on the platform plays a role. Consistent and responsible behavior can lead to increased limits over time. Risk assessment. Kraken continuously assesses the risk associated with each user. Factors like trading volume, deposit frequency, and withdrawal patterns are all considered. Checking your specific limits. Wondering what your exact deposit limits are? It's easier than you might think. Log into your Kraken account, navigate to your account settings or dashboard. Look for the limits section. This area will display your current deposit and withdrawal limits for each supported currency and method. Check for any specific messages. Kraken may display messages within your account if your deposit limits have been temporarily adjusted. Now, let's explore some tips to make the most of your Kraken deposit experience. Increase your verification level. As mentioned earlier, higher verification levels unlock higher limits. Complete the necessary steps to upgrade your account for greater flexibility. Choose deposit methods wisely. Consider the fees, speed, and limits associated with each method. Bank transfers are often a good choice for larger deposits. Plan your deposits. If you anticipate making a significant deposit, plan ahead to ensure you don't exceed your daily limits. Contact Kraken support. If you have any questions or concerns about your deposit limits, reach out to Kraken's customer support team. They can provide personalized guidance and assistance. Consequences of exceeding limits. It's crucial to understand the potential consequences of exceeding Kraken's deposit limits. Delayed processing. Your deposit may be temporarily held or processed more slowly. Account restrictions. In some cases, exceeding limits can lead to temporary account restrictions, such as limitations on withdrawals or trading. Account closure. In extreme cases, persistent violations of deposit limits could result in account closure. Before we wrap up, here are a few important points to keep in mind. These limits are subject to change. Kraken may adjust its deposit limits at any time based on market conditions, regulatory requirements, or internal risk assessments. Always refer to the official Kraken website. The most up-to-date information on deposit limits and account restrictions can always be found on the official Kraken website. Understanding Kraken's deposit limits is essential for a smooth and successful trading experience. By adhering to these limits and following the tips we've discussed, you can ensure that your deposits are processed efficiently and that your account remains in good standing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.